It's time to make grooming simpler, sharper, and affordable. Forget flimsy clippers. This beast boasts Japanese steel blades for ultimate precision, lasting up to a whopping 90 haircuts per blade. Save time, save money, save your style. The Beast Clipper Duo is your shortcut to confidence, delivered straight to your door. The process is amazingly simple. Wash, clean, and dry your beard. Comb it straight. Plan the length of the beard you want to keep and attach the appropriate comb guard. Maneuver the clipper first from bottom to top. Effortlessly trim sides. And navigate to the bottom of your chin. Uninterrupted ease defines the entire experience. Ditch the comb and master those finishing touches. Crafting razor-sharp and precisely defined edges. Unveiling the artist within to expertly sculpt to highlight the jawline. With the Skull Shaver Beast Clipper, rise above the limitations of convention salon settings and unlock your self-confidence with perfectly balanced cuts at home. Seize this opportunity to unlock your inner beard stylist. Order yours now and claim your grooming independence.